everybody. On this video, we are doing another version of our tapestry piece. If you want to watch the first tapestry piece that I posted, you'll be able to see the initial process. On this one, I skip having you watch me lay out all the stringer. I just laid it on extra thin clear glass, and I did it as long as the stringer is. That's how wide my pieces were. I laid that all out, and I did two different color schemes. And then this is the final integration of those two pieces. So I will at least show you the cutting process and then how I laid it out. Now on this one, it was more successful than the last one because one, I used the thinner glass initially, and two, I flipped all of my strips face down so that when it's all fired, they look like they're seamless together and there's no gaps or anything between them. So enjoy. All right, everybody. So here, this is going to be experiment number 2 or part 2 of our tapestry pieces. Now, last time I did just one of these, cut it up, switched every other one around and created my tapestry piece. What you see on here is all stringer. This time I have done 2 different kinds, very similar, all neutral colors, one a little bit lighter tone, less black, one with a lot more black. So I'm hoping to mix these now together to create an even bigger tapestry. So let's begin with the cutting. Now this time, what else is different is I used the thin glass. So it's like a 2 millimeters. And that way it's now about the thickness of the 3 mil glass you get. Maybe a little thinner, which is good. I'm hoping that that will push the glass apart less when I fire it into the tapestry. So let us begin. Now you could pick the smoother side. I think the back is a little smoother this time. Last time I did it on the front. Measure them out. Last time I did 1/2 inch. This time I'm going to do the same. I'm using the Morton glass cutting system. I have something similar. Our 2 tapestries. So my thought okay, now see how they look. think of that? It's pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, so I'm gonna put this on clear. I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll see the result. All right, everybody, we are on the last step of this tapestry here. So I've got it all laid out. I've cut all my strips down to 1/2 inch. Now this one was different than the first tapestry I did because I'm using thin glass, extra thin clear with stringer laid on it. The stringer side that was on the surface is now face down. I'm hoping that will keep it from spreading so that it looks like these are all one piece. So let's begin the transfer. Piece of glass to get them straight. So you know, I'm laying this on a regular thickness piece of glass, that's for 3mm glass, and this is looking pretty good. All right, and now we are ready to put this piece in the kiln. Carefully load this baby. That's in place. It's pretty good. All right, and we are ready to fire this baby. Okay, so the kiln schedule that we're gonna use to full fuse this, pretty much the same as before. I'm gonna have to do some reprogramming here probably. So we're gonna go 5 segments, 250 to 1,000, hold for 0, as fast as possible to 1455, hold for 9, as fast as possible to 950. We're gonna hold for 1.5 hours or 90 minutes. I'm gonna go 150 down to 800, hold 10. Because remember, we're making it thicker. It's not quite 3 layers because the stringer and the the extra thin glass makes it only about 3mm. So it's about 2 sheets of glass. And then we'll go 250 down to 200 and hold for 0. And we'll give it a start. All right, everybody, so the tapestry is done. Now it's time for the reveal. And this worked out a lot better with the new firing that I did, where I laid the stringer face down instead of face up. So you can see that on the last one I did, they had some gaps between, but these ones, there are no gaps between them. They are flush with each other. So I'm very happy how this turned out. I'm gonna probably have this wall mounted as a piece, but thank you for tuning into experiment 2 with tapestries and how to get them flush and looking perfect.